How to link Instagram to Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Instagram to Facebook. So let's get started. Open your Instagram app, then go to your profile, then click on the hamburger icon which is on the top right corner. Click on settings, then scroll and click on account center. Then you will see add a Facebook account option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you have to log in into your Facebook. But if you already have the Facebook app and if you are logged in there, you don't have to do this step. But since I don't have mine, I'm just gonna enter my username and password and log in into my Facebook. After that, go ahead and click on continue as your username. Again, go ahead and click on continue. Then finally click on yes, a finish setup option. And that is all you need to do in order to link your Instagram to Facebook account. And everyone, that was how to link Instagram to Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.